here that I'm going to show another workflow working in world coordinate system and working in 3D. So if the user doesn't like to work in 2D, so meaning that section views, facade views won't be created in 2D or in top view, but rather in the correct 3D position that it should be placed on, then there is also a workflow for that. We are going to create a section in Origins. For that section, the revision model has been set it to off, so there's no revision model, meaning there's no depth information anymore in the section. Then we're going to insert that to have it as a reference in ZWCAD, and you're going to see it now from the side, so to say, from the front view. And now we can start creating lines, but this time we are not going to choose the user coordinate system anymore. We are going to work in the world coordinate system. As usual, create lines by clicking on 2 points. And at the end we created the outer lines of the section. Now if we are going to have a look at it from the top view, of course we can also create multiple lines. However, in this case, when working on sections in world coordinate systems, in our work coordinate system, then the polyline option cannot be used anymore, since polylines can only be drawn in 2D. But polylines can be used when working in the user coordinate system, and then we are in top view. So yeah, now if we are still in work coordinate system and we're going to switch the view to the top view, you can see that the section created now is in the correct 3D position that it should be. So it's perpendicular on the layout created. So if we're going to look at the front, or if you're going to look from the top, you'll see that now there's the section is exactly in the place that it should be.